So I'm back. It's been about 4 years since my last video. In that time I managed to finish my degree. I spent some time working as a Linux system administrator, moved out of that role into the endpoint cybersecurity space. It has been an interesting career progression, and one of the ones that really got me thinking was after about 6 months in the role, the ability to use my programming skills, Python in particular, has really benefited me down the line, and I've moved into a semi-DevSecOps role with multiple companies now, and I am able to put together a whole bunch of use cases for my clients and any company that I'm working for on how to improve efficiency. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take you through a little bit of Jupyter. I'm not sure if I've done that in a previous video, but Jupyter is very useful in regards that it's a little cell-based language, so I should probably chuck a kernel in here. We're going to print hello, and as it's connecting to the kernel, it prints out hello. So let's say I want v to equal 4, I can hit enter, nothing shows up, but if we hit v it actually prints it out. So one of the things I'm going to do here, and this is where things get a little bit interesting, v equals 5, let's run that, and let's run v again, v equals 5, so it's when the cell execution order, and we see that Jupyter's got a nice little counter on the side on what cell's been executed and where. So in these videos, and this is where things get a little bit convoluted for me, is that I have spent some time in IT, and now I've actually gone back to study part-time with a Bachelor of Science with the focus on improving my mathematics skill to ideally be able to do some massive coding down the line, differential equations, see how they actually implement and if I can actually benefit them for anyone that I'm working for or with, and run from there. So I'm going to take you through a little bit of Python that I'm actually learning at the moment, in particularly the Python math libraries. So I'm hoping that's going to be beneficial to you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.